Hello, let me show you a few camera tips and tricks for POCO C75. So first of all, when you are in the photo mode, we can just click on the screen, and now when you get the sun icon, you can move it up and down to increase or decrease brightness. So if you don't have enough brightness, I mean lighting condition, if they are not good, you can actually increase brightness by using this simple gesture with this sun icon. Also, if you want to change the preview of your photo, so you can click here and add some filters. Take a look. They are changing color and the temperature, and there's like a bunch of different filters, like for example this one. There we go. There's also some black and white. I believe that you will find something useful for you. When you click right here, you can find some other useful options, like for example you can get the shutter type. So we got tap to take a photo and voice shutter. Tap to take a photo works like this, that you just click on the screen with your finger, point into the object that you want to capture, and now it's automatically adjusts brightness, exposure, focus, and take the photo. You can also say cheese, and the photo also will be taken. When you click right here, let's deactivate these two options, so we can find another option called timed burst. So this option allows you to take the number of the photos, like for example if you want to capture a lot of photos, for example 240, and you can set interval. Now when you click on the shutter, every photo will be captured every 3 seconds until you reach 240 photos. Next, when you go into settings, we can find a few different options, like for example you can change function of the volume buttons. So as default, when you click on the volume up or volume down button, you will take photo with the 2 seconds shutter delay, but also we can use them to zoom in or zoom out. And take a look how it works right now. When I'm gonna click and hold the volume up button, the phone will smoothly zoom in, and right here in this phone you can find 10x zoom. Take a look. If I'm gonna click and hold volume down button, I will smoothly zoom out. If you want to get more details on the photos, I can recommend you to use 50 megapixel mode. So now take a look. When I'm gonna open it, and after the post-processing, we got HD preview, and that's amount of the details that you can actually get thanks to this mode. And this phone, we can also find, the time-lapse video that will allows you to adjust some parameters manually, like for example the white balance, focus range, shutter speed, ISO level, and exposure compensation. If you are taking the time-lapse videos, you can also change speed of the time-lapse and duration and everything by using these switchers. And this is like all features and the best tips that I can give you for a camera on this phone.